Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jay Campbell. So I have just arrived at the Vantis Institute in Newport Beach. It's Sunday, and I've decided to obviously have the follicle replacement procedure that Vantis does, which is so absolutely epic and mind-blowing as far as the tech, the biomedical tech that we can now use to enhance our life. And as you guys know, I've always been a guy, it's like, I don't care about my hair. I've been shaving my hair for a long time. I've started to obviously have gradual thinning once I hit 46, and I'm almost 49 now. And so now I just wear it really close, like you can tell now. But once I saw Vantis up close and personal, what they could do, I was like, why not do it, right? I mean, it's so amazing. If I can help more men around the world achieve something from a lack of self-esteem or self-confidence because of losing their hair, why not be, you know, the initial guy or the prototype, you know, because obviously I'm blessed to be able to have a huge audience and following the people who I can influence. So why not do this? And of course, my wife, Monica, is very much in support of it. She's like, dude, do it, you know, get it done. So here I am. I'm about to walk in and have the procedure done. And I'm very excited about it because obviously I'm going to have more hair on my head. But again, by and large, it's going to help millions, if not, you know, hundreds of thousands of men around the world who are considering having this done. This is way cheaper, of course, than a hair replacement or a hair transplant or any of that. And honestly, it's the most effective form and the least issue from a hair replacement tech. So again, vantisinstitute.com/JC if you're considering doing it yourself. And obviously I'll have much more about it once the procedure's done, before and afters and stuff. So you guys have an amazing day. Happy holidays to everybody. And we will talk to you soon.